Hey there, I'm Jen Ferguson with Artistic Painting Studio, and today I'm going to show you guys how to use this really fun tool. It's called Neon Leon and it's great for glazing. Hey everybody, I am so excited to introduce you guys to what we have called for many, many years Neon Leon, okay? Not exactly sure how it got its name, but that is the name in the industry. So it is a great tool to use on textured walls, to apply your glaze, to stipple. So I'm just going to show you some of the techniques. You can also even screw in a handle and be able to use this from far away. So I've already mixed up some glaze, which is my primary method of using this tool. And if we're on a big surface, we would actually have the glaze into like a paint tray, okay? And you can just use it to apply the glaze to the surface, get it to move around. This helps to also, if you're on a textured wall, to get it into all of the texture that's on the surface. Helps it to get it to move around. And I am just going to glaze up this whole board so you guys can see, okay? So it's great for applying, and then it can also be used as a tool to stipple out the finish. So what we call all these marks are called method of application. We normally want to get rid of them. So I'll take my Neon Leon, just wipe it off on a terry rag or a good shop towel, and then you can pounce with this tool as well and just create a beautiful stippled finish, okay? So how quickly was I able to apply that, stipple it, and if I wanted to, I could leave it as it is and let that dry, or I can come tool on this with cheesecloth, terry rags, or do anything else as well. But that is the Neon Leon, okay? Great for your glazing projects and for doing other textures. We've also used it in texture, but I want to say my main primary application is with glazing. So thank you guys for hanging out with me. I hope that you will find Neon Leon will be helpful to you as well.